Our digestive system breaks down the food that we eat and turns them into nutrients. This way, na-absorb natin ang nutrients para magamit ito ng ating katawan. Gut health can help us have a stronger immune system. Parehong nakakatulong ang probiotics at ang fiber sa pagpapalambot ng stool para madali itong malabas. Good news! Para matulungan kang mabigyan ng impormasyon about your health concern, introducing the Watson's Health Supplement Advisor that can guide you anytime, anywhere. Just go to your Watson's mobile app, click the Supplement Advisor icon, click Digestion, click your specific digestive health concern. We will provide helpful information such as tips and food supplements available at Watson's. This is Danica Chan. For your digestive health, you can always ask your Watson's pharmacist.
Mahalagang paalala, ang CD Fiber Capsules, Nutribis-D, Events Probiotic, or Max Powder at Lola Remedios ay hindi gamot at hindi dapat gamitin panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit.
Sumasakit na ba ang likod mo? Paano naman ang iyong kasukasuan? Leeg? Braso? Nako, baka sign of aging na yan. Pero huwag mag-alala. We have complete and wide range of vitamins, supplements, medicines, and other essentials here in Watson's. Isang option for instant body pain relief ay ang mga methyl salicylate menthol medicated patches. Targeted siya dahil pwede mong ilagay kung saan masakit. But if you're on the go, meron na ring mga massage spray that conveniently provides quick relief. Cool and pleasant pa yung smell kaya di ka mahihiya. But if yung pain mo ay abdominal pain o may kahalong motion sickness, headache, or dizziness, try applying some relaxing oils like methyl salicylate, eucalyptus oil, or you can also use mga liniment para sa mga muscle pain or strains. And pwede rin siya sa itching. Tandaan na di mo kailangan tiisin ang muscle pain. Ask your Watson's pharmacist to guide you. For complete and wide range of wellness essentials, visit our 1,000 plus stores nationwide or simply download the Watson's app. You can also pick up your orders in 30 minutes via click and collect or get them in 3 hours or less through Watson's Express Delivery. This is Luis de Guzman saying there are more ways to wellness in Watson's.
C plus collagen, NutriBliss collagen with vitamin C, Watson's vitamin C, vitamin E, glutathione effervescent tablets, Snow Caps L-glutathione, at Hakubi White C ay hindi gamot at hindi dapat gamitin panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit.